Hello everyone. Welcome to our 22nd PsyConnect Voice Tweet, where we will be exploring an important topic of the fear of success. Understanding why we hold ourselves back. Success. Many of us chase it, dream of it, and work hard to achieve it. Yet there is a hidden factor that often holds us back. It's the fear of success. While we frequently discuss the fear of failure, the fear of success is equally important, manifesting in subtle ways like procrastination, self-doubt, or even self-sabotage. Imagine this. You're on a brink of achieving a significant goal, a promotion, an important exam, or maybe launching a new project. You have put in the effort, yet instead of excitement, you feel nervous, uneasy, और इवन पैरालाइज्ड। जब जीत के करीब पहुंचकर भी कदम थक जाते हैं और दिल कहता है कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो जाएगा, दिस इज द फियर ऑफ सक्सेस क्रीपिंग इन। बट व्हाई डू वी फियर सक्सेस? What exactly causes the fear of success? And how does it impact our life? Well, the reasons can vary. One of the main explanation of this comes from Maslow's Jonah complex, which describes that we fear our own potential. Why? Because success brings higher expectations and the fear of standing out. As the saying goes, the higher you fly, the deeper you fall. For example, you're preparing for an exam and feeling confident. But as the day approaches, you begin to worry. What if I excel? Will everyone accept me to be the best? Can I handle it? The pressure becomes overwhelming, leading you to second-guess yourself. This is the Jonah complex in action. There are multiple neuroscience perspectives in which our brain can make success feel intimidating, create doubts, and overthinking, which leads to indecision. This is why we sometimes sabotage our efforts just before reaching our goals. Fear of success can also stem from societal and cultural influences. Once again, consider a time when you were close to achieve something great. Instead of moving forward, maybe you hesitated, fearing how others would react. These feelings are more common than you might think. It's important to remember that feeling afraid of success doesn't mean you're weak or incapable. It's a part of human experience. The first step in overcoming it is recognizing that it's there. Once you're aware of this fear, you can start to address it. One way to deal with this fear is by changing how you think about success. Instead of seeing it as a final goal, try viewing it as a journey. Celebrate the small steps you take along the way and don't focus only on the end result. Another way to deal with this fear is by thinking about why you are afraid of success. Ask yourself, what thoughts or past experience have made you feel this way about reaching your goals? Once you understand these reasons, you can start to break down the barriers that are keeping you away from moving forward. Getting support from others is also a key. Whether it's talking to a mentor, a therapist, or even friends. Having someone to share your thoughts with can help you gain new perspectives. It's important to remember that you are not alone. And it's really okay to seek help when it's needed. In the end, the fear of success is something many people experience. But with self-awareness, a shift in mindset, and the support of others, you can work through it. Success doesn't have to be something to fear. It can be an opportunity for growth, learning, and fulfillment. As they say, सफलता की राह पर कायर नहीं चल सकते, पर हौसला रखने वाले अक्सर मंजिल तक पहुंच ही जाते हैं. So keep going, because success is not just about the destination, but the courage to take the journey. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this helps you face your fear and encourages you to move forward towards your goal with more confidence.